Hello, it's Susan here. I am just going to do a quick video on how to make a little case for your tissues. So the tissues go in there. There's a couple of examples there and it's really easy to make. So for the outer fabric you need 6 by 7 inches, which I've already prepared there, and for the lining you need 6 by 8.5 inches down. So they're the measurements. Let me just take them off. So to start with, you're going to do fabrics facing, good sides facing together, and I'm just going to line that up there and pin it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stitch a line across there. I'll just get my machine. So you want to just pop that needle down. So we're going to go forward a couple of stitches, go back a couple of stitches, and that just grounds the stitches in. Take my pins out as I go. Take that pin out. That's that, and then that's that. Bring my needle up and take that off. Let's get rid of that cotton. Now I want to bring this edge to this edge, and then I can pin that as well, just to make sure it stays. And I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm just going to go across. So I'm going to put my needle down, take my pin out, I'll do a couple of stitches and a couple of stitches back. I'm just doing 1/4 inch. Take that out. There we go. Oops, let's just cut that off. So now I've got like this tube. So I'm just gonna bring it round. See, you've got your outer fabric here and your inner fabric there. Okay, so I've now got my material here. I've ironed it a bit, give it a bit of crease in there, and I'm just gonna put the fold in on the right side. I'm folding this one, and then I'm going to fold this side in, but I'm going to like fold it slightly over, so it's a bit of an overlap. I'm going to get my tissue thing to make sure that that's big enough, and so that should be all right. So I'm going to pin that up the top. Just make sure it's straight, and pin that down the bottom. Oops. So then I've got that like that. So now I'm just going to stitch down there and stitch down there. Whoop. Just put my needle down. Do a few back tacks to start with. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to hold it. Keep 1/4 inch. Take that out and cut the bits there. Put that in the bin. And then do the same back stitch to start with. I'm just going to pop that out. Hold it there. And back step. Flip this the right way. I could give that a proper press. Make sure my corners are out. And there you have it. I've got my tissues. I can open my packet of tissues. Pop my tissues in there and then pull that over, and there is your little tissue holder. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you do, could you please like and subscribe to my channel? Thank you.